Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Tuscaloosa, Alabama, a historic city located along the banks of the Black Warrior River. Known today for its vibrant college atmosphere and southern charm, Tuscaloosa blends deep history with modern growth, making it one of the most recognizable cities in the state. The name Tuscaloosa comes from Chief Tuscaloosa, a powerful Native American leader of the Mississippian culture who lived in this region during the 16th century. As we drive through the city, you may notice the strong influence of the University of Alabama, founded in 1831. The university has grown into one of the largest and most respected institutions in the southeastern United States. Its campus plays a major role in Tuscaloosa's culture, economy, and identity, especially during football season when Crimson Tide pride fills the city. One of the most significant modern events in Tuscaloosa's history occurred on April 27, 2011, when a powerful tornado struck the city. The storm caused widespread destruction and deeply affected the community. In the years that followed, Tuscaloosa rebuilt with resilience and determination, creating new parks, businesses, and neighborhoods while honoring those who were lost. Today, Tuscaloosa offers a mix of historic districts, riverfront views, and growing commercial areas. The downtown area features local restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues, while nearby parks and walking paths provide scenic views along the Black Warrior River. As we continue this drive, you'll see a city that reflects both its rich southern heritage and its forward-looking spirit. Tuscaloosa remains a place where history, education, and community come together, creating a welcoming destination for visitors and residents alike. Thanks for watching!